Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the pre-built chapter homework available in Achieve for Guinn Essentials of General, Organic, and Biochemistry 3rd edition. We are starting with a view of the homework from a student's perspective, and I will quickly scroll through just to give you a sense of different problem types available in Achieve. You can also skip around, as I have done here. And as a student begins to solve a problem, they have a couple of options to be able to help them prepare for the problem solving or study up if they're not quite ready. The first thing we offer is a hint. The hint is always given as really a little more information or nudge to help students get started. We never reveal the answer with the hint. In addition to the hint, we have some resources. Most importantly, we have a direct link to the chapter and section of the ebook for students to be able to study in a just-in-time way as they're solving a problem and likely more open to learning about the concept or what they are trying to solve for. In addition to the ebook link, we have a link to a periodic table as well as the Compendix, which includes several reference materials and resources that students will find helpful as they're solving problems in chemistry. Now I'm ready to go ahead and attempt to solve the problem. This one happens to be a drag and drop problem, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to solve this problem, or at least attempt to do so. I'm going to check my answer. Unfortunately, I did not get this question correct. However, I have received some very targeted feedback to help me understand what I may have done wrong, to be able to give me a little bit more information and hopefully learn more about what I'm trying to solve for so I can try again in a more educated way. I'm going to close out of the feedback and try again. So I'm going to just simply switch these around. Move that over there. And I'm going to check my answer again. I fortunately did solve the problem now. At this point, I have the ability to view a solution, and I'd like to point out that you as the instructor can control the policy on how many attempts you'd like students to be able to take. You can also decide whether or not the solutions should be available while they're doing their homework. We do consider it a study tool and a way of helping students learn while they're practicing. And one of the reasons why is because our solutions are never just answers. We make sure to include a full explanation or, if necessary, the steps that were involved in problem solving. As you can see here, we're explaining more fully so that students are learning, even in the point of struggle if I hadn't gotten it correct. Hopefully I'm going to learn more in the process of reading through the solution. So as I mentioned, we have pre-built homework. I'm looking at Chapter 9 pre-built homework, and I can scroll through and take a look at the different questions available. If I see something that I really don't want to include, like the one I just did, I could remove the question. If I want to help prevent cheating, I can pull questions, I can reorder. If I see something I like but want to use it later, I can favorite it for another assignment. If there is something I want, maybe more organic questions, I can go into the question bank and see other templates for our various libraries under the different course areas. And if I would like, I can create custom questions from a list of templates or even edit the existing questions in the Achieve problems. And I have grading settings to make sure that the policies really do match my own philosophy. And that is a quick overview of our pre-built homework for Guinn. If you have any questions, please let us know. We'd be happy to share a sample with you and give you a more personalized, deeper demo as well.